Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. Today I'm showing you how I did this quick and easy pompadour and bun hairstyle. I am showing you how to do it in like a simple way, and then of course add accessories if you are into that. You definitely don't need to, but if you're into it, then definitely add some accessories, or I think it's just going to be a cute bridal bun. And I think a bun is just easy and simple. So I was actually going to pull my hair at the back like so and then do the bun. But I was like, why not just go a little bit of an extra mile? By the way, my hair is blow dried in this video for anyone who's going to ask. You can stretch out your hair using any other method, but I chose to blow dry my hair. I've never had any heat damage from blow drying my hair, so I continue to do it. So to create this pompadour, I'm going to use these little things. Honestly, I don't even know the names of it. I just randomly found them on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link for them down below if I can find it. And I'm basically just going to flip my hair like so instead of pulling it to the back and make it look flat. Just a little bit of warning. Those things have things like little teeth. So if you're going to use them, be prepared to pull it out of your hair very gently. Otherwise, you're going to pull out your hair. You don't need to use it. Your afro can actually do this without the little clip thing. But I wanted to do the clip thing just because it makes the process so much easier. You can put anything else, like you can make a little sock bun and just put it there and it's going to create the same thing. If you want to see how I make sock buns, I'm going to leave that video linked in the description section so you can check that out. So as you can see, I just left the hair on the side just because I wanted to slick it down a little bit. If you slick it even more than I did mine, the hairstyle will look even better. Mine was not super slick down just because I wasn't really, like I didn't want my hairstyle to look flat. That's basically what I was trying to do. Make sure that it doesn't look flat. But if you make the sides so much flatter than mine were, actually no, I should not say I assure you. Because, you know, liking a hairstyle is sort of like a personal preference thing. But I think the hairstyle will look better if the sides are flatter. But for me, I was going for like texture and volume, but still in a bun, if that even makes sense. So as you can see, I'm just pulling it to the side and then I am pinning it. If your hair is not as long as mine and it can't do the X thing, it's fine. Just pull it in a bun in the back. It's not really going to show much anyways. So I didn't like the way I had pulled my hair. Again, it was too flat. So I am just using this rat tail comb and I am pulling it out to the way I want it to look like. You don't have to do this, by the way, and you don't have to use the bigger little clip that I use. You can use a smaller one. So if you're making a sock bun, you can make a small sock bun or a larger one depending on the length of your hair and how much of a poof you want at the front. This poof is called a pompadour. I think I'm pronouncing it right, but I have an accent because I speak a few languages, so bear with me. So I am using my Shine and Jam Gel again, trying to slick down the edges without making them super slick. So just basically focusing on the edges and not really like my hair, you know, like you see better what I'm trying to explain than me trying to use words to actually explain it. Sometimes I feel awkward trying to explain what I'm doing because I think I show it better than I explain it. So to create the bun, because my hair is not that long as the bun you saw at the beginning, I'm going to use Marley hair. As you can see, I'm going to have to unravel it. If you try to unravel it like this without cutting the ends, it's so much more work. To make it so much easier, you should cut the ends or the tips of the Marley hair and then unravel it. If you don't unravel it, it's not going to look exactly like your natural hair, but if you unravel it, it's going to look like the texture of your natural hair. For me, it matches exactly. So make sure if you're going to do this, when you buy your Marley hair, buy a color that is closest to your own hair. You might not find one that is exactly the same. I found that sometimes buying Marley hair and adding like a sheen spray to it to make it a little bit shinier makes it match my hair, because your hair is usually like you oil it, you take care of it, and then when you buy this plastic hair, sometimes they are like rusty, and like adding a little bit of shine or a little bit of oil to it makes it match your hair color even more. So you should try that next time when you're going to use some Marley hair. So as you can see, right now I'm just going to show you how I'm going to fold it, but don't fold it from the side. When you're folding it, fold it from the top, as I'm going to show you soon enough. But this is basically all I'm going to be doing. I'm just showing you just because when I start doing it, you won't be able to see how I'm going to start doing it. So pull it like so to make sure that it is symmetrical, even though mine wasn't as symmetrical as I'd like it to be at the end, but this is basically the idea. And then just use some pins. You can use bobby pins or you can use styling pins to make sure that it stays in place, and you can place the pins in different locations. So I would do 2 at the top, maybe 2 or 3 on the sides, and then maybe 1 at the the bottom of it. So as you can see, the X at the back that I was trying to create, honestly, I wanted it to show, but I can see here in the band that it doesn't show that well. I think I'll try to do the hairstyle again and then try to create the X in a better way where it shows. And I'll probably share the pictures on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I go by _ Yasser K, and it's probably somewhere here on my screen. I am wearing these earrings. They are from Cultural Mashup if you want to check that out. It's basically a map of Africa, and it has like zebra lines on it. They're nice and cute. And after doing the hairstyle, I was feeling really cute, to be honest. But when am I ever not feeling cute? Actually, no. Sometimes I do hairstyles and I'm not really sure how I feel about them. And I always tell you ladies, like this bun, I didn't like the way it turned out at the back, but it was okay. And I'm not going to redo it again because making mistakes is natural. So I like to share that with you ladies because I make mistakes, so you shouldn't expect yours to be completely perfect. You can definitely strive for perfection, but it doesn't have to happen. I'm going to try and accessorize it like so to try this whole bridal trend. Y'all know it's spring. I know weird things keep happening. I live in Vancouver in Canada, and we're getting way more cases for COVID-19 than we ever did. So it's weird times. Even though people are getting vaccines, we're still getting a lot of cases, which we're basically again back in intense quarantine. So with all that being said, if people are getting married, here is a little bit of inspiration. I hope you all had a nice Easter weekend, and I hope you saw your family if possible, if it's allowed in your area. And I just hope you relaxed, at least, if that's basically all you could have done. I hope you relaxed and you are ready to take on the week. That's all for the hairstyle, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I see you sometime, I guess this week, or yeah, sometime this week. Thank you for coming by, ladies. Have a lovely, lovely week. Bye.